This iPhone is the most advanced phone that Apple has ever bestowed upon us mere mortals. The smaller notch, the 6x optical zoom versus the 5x optical zoom in the 12 Pro Max, the 120Hz display, the world's fastest smartphone chip, Sierra Blue, they all scream state-of-the-art technology. Alright, enough of the delays. I know after the Apple keynote a lot of us are really excited. So, let's get to the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max S, aka the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Alright, so this is the unboxing of the fastest iPhone that Apple ever made. So, these two things at the side, these nice pull tabs, they come attached, but they aren't attached now because I tried to do the unboxing 3 times and I didn't press record on the camera. Anyways, yeah, so I'm unboxing this wonderful Sierra Blue, beautiful piece of machinery. And this is what it looks like at the back. And just pretend that these are attached and you just pull them off like that. Then you open it and you're greeted with this baby blue iPhone. It is nice. It is really nice. It's really nice and shiny. All right. So in the box, you get this Lightning to USB-C. No power brick because we have to save the planet. We have to save the planet. And in this nice little envelope, you get a SIM eject tool and 1 Apple sticker. Because if you get a second one, you will be polluting the planet. Hey, that's about it. That's all you get in the box for like $1,000. I'm tight, bro. So what I'm gonna do is put this right in a case from Urban Armor Gear. I stick with these cases because they've been pretty good to me. I've dropped the phones many times, but these things hold up. And this one has the, I think it has an extra magnet in it, so you can charge the phone even better. And I will also put a protective tempered glass on this as well. That's why I still have this paper on there. Alright, and make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can stay tuned for when I drop that video comparing the cameras between this iPhone Pro Max. What's the name of this iPhone, bro? It's such a long name. It's the iPhone 13 Pro Max versus the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Jeez. Apple, you really need to do something with these names. They too much right now. Anyways, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.